Hey friends, I am Explorer Neel. In this video, I am sharing the birds and animals in Gir Sanctuary. Over here, it's a woolly necked stork, and over here, there's a peacock without feathers. We visited Gir in October when the mating season was over. The peacock will grow its feather again in May, which will be its mating season. Over there, light blue, it's a kingfisher. That's a woodpecker up there. Those are deers. Deers are a very social animals. They stay in a group and they are friends. Oh yeah, and you're wondering, in what about the lions? I have made a separate video on that and you can check it out. Thanks for watching.